सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Reflex Green Power Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Reflex Renewables and Infrastructure Limited, has been awarded a tender by Coimbatore Municipal Corporation for the establishment of a 250 TPD municipal solid waste-based bio-CNG plant in Coimbatore. The project, valued at 78 rupees and 54 paise crore, will be executed under a PPP model on a BOT basis for 20 years. The project is scheduled to be commissioned within 19 months from the date of the concession agreement, which will be signed within 30 days of the letter of acceptance dated April 5, 2025. Associated Alcohols and Breweries Limited received an order from the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax on March 25, 2025, related to income tax assessments for A 2018-19 and A 2019-20. The order includes substantive additions for A 2018-19 and protective additions for A 2019-20. The company has challenged the order in the MP High Court for both assessment years. The High Court has instructed authorities to not implement the order for A 2018-19 without court permission. For A 2019-20, the company expects a similar outcome. The company believes the issue is supported by a Supreme Court judgment and does not anticipate any significant financial implications. Swiggy Limited has received an assessment order from the Office of the Profession Tax Officer, Pune, for 7,59,86,813 Indian rupees for the period of April 2021 to March 2022. The order pertains to alleged violations of the Maharashtra State Tax on Professions, Trades, Callings, and Employments Act, 1975, specifically regarding the deduction of profession tax from employee salaries. Swiggy plans to appeal the order and believes it has a strong case and that the order will not have a major adverse impact on its financials and operations. Solar Technologies Limited has received a work order worth approximately 1 crore from Gujarat Urban Development Company Limited, GUDA. The contract involves consultancy services for grid-connected solar photovoltaic projects up to 100 kW and above in various locations across Gujarat. Services include detailed project reports, procurement assistance, quality checks, design scrutiny, and final recommendations for EPC contractor bills. The contract duration is 5 years. Paul Merchants Limited, PML, announced that the Appellate Tribunal for SAFEMA, New Delhi, has set aside the penalty of 24 lakh rupees imposed by the Directorate of Enforcement for alleged contravention of FEMA regulations. The penalty was related to overseas student remittance transactions processed by PML in 2017. PML had previously appealed the order to the Special Director, Appeals, FEMA, where the appeal was rejected. The company received the order from the tribunal on April 3, 2025. JSL Industries Limited received a favorable order from the Additional Commissioner, CGST&C, Vadodara Commissionerate on April 3, 2025, related to a service tax case. The order, based on a SISTAT final order, drops the previously proposed demand of 22,51,007 rupees, including interest and penalties. The original show cause notice was issued in 2016 for the period of July 2012 to November 2015. Trishakti Industries Limited has received a contract worth 60 million Indian rupees from NCC Limited for the supply of advanced earth-moving heavy equipment. This 12-month contract will support NCC Limited's ongoing project and is expected to positively impact Trishakti Industries' financial performance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।